Hi, I'm Elaine Tross with Brown Harris Stevens, and I want to welcome you to 301 East 69th Street, a lovely 3-bedroom, 3-bath, just renovated a few years ago. Let's take a look.
This special renovated home can be yours. One can easily create a 4th bedroom from the current spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a separate living room, dining room, den, and a windowed eating kitchen. As you enter the foyer, there's a home office to the right, then the living room and your dining room. A separate kitchen with custom built-in cabinets, beige tan marble countertops, and backsplash, with a pass-through to the den, which can be converted to a dining room. Also, there's an amazing spacious walk-in pantry off the eating kitchen. All the baths have been renovated, 2 with tubs, and the master has the shower. There's wonderful closet space throughout the apartment. The apartment is bright and sunny, having east and west exposure. All rooms have city quiet windows. There are energy efficient central AC units. A laundry room is on this floor. You have a live-in resident manager, roof deck, bike and storage rooms at a fee. And the building is pet friendly. It's convenient to the new Q train and all other transportation. Shopping and restaurants are around the corner, plus a lovely park with swings and more. For more information, contact Elaine Tross with Brown Harris Stevens.